And to baby a boy wedding minded Drew, let me conclude and say, on the economic structure level, no, it will take the next 50 good solid years to put Ghana on a strong sounding economic footing. Anything short of this will take a miracle to do it. Because GD amount for you know, atom press, just say, Ayira, and we will need a new government be or running lean government or by honest to the people, now on control. Because when you run a government on mistrust, you reap misgovernance. When you run a government on mistrust, you reap misgovernance.
At this point, I didn't don't me resign.
He will not. Because he feels the presidency entitlement, man. He will not. He will not.
So at this point, I saw a resign.
No, he will not.
We're failing.
No, Nanado is a cataclysmic failure. He's a cataclysmic failure. He has failed beyond the word failure. But he will only know it when he is out of power. Me can say me nano mamu kakra de share. Nanado ni failure na wa feeling wo no. And then the people around him are urging him on. My president say, my predict say years after say we free abon he will sit back and regret but we other man could do.
Oh.
Because sika fan in some any the goodwill and a cram and panji amount for the man or no, he's blown it off. Total blow off.